Excel Chapter 5, pages 244 to 249. All right, we already did the top of page 244, so I want you to drop to the middle of the page and read about sorting data. When you get that done, we're going to go down to the bottom to sort the art objects table in ascending order by the artist name. Click any cell in the artist column. On your ribbon, click on the Data tab, top of page 245. In the Sort and Filter group, click the Sort A to Z button. The data is sorted in ascending order by artist. The artist filter arrow indicates the data is sorted by that column. Do you see that right there? Okay, that tells you that that's the column by which this table is sorted, and you'll notice that your artist ID are no longer in numeric order. Sorting multiple columns using the Sort dialog box. Please read the rest of the information on page 245 and the top of page 246. Then we'll go to 246 to sort the art objects table by multiple sort fields. Step number 1. Control Home, which always puts you back in cell A1, right? All right, cell A1 is the active cell, although you can click any cell in the table to sort the table data. Step number 2, in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. All right, so we're on the Data tab. Here's the Sort and Filter group. Click the Sort button. The Sort dialog box opens. Click the Sort By button to display the list of column headers in the art objects table. Click Location. All right, the primary sort field is set to location. Take a look at the Sort On and make sure it reads values. If it doesn't, hit the down pointing arrow next to it and select values. Typically, you want to sort by the numbers, text, or dates stored in the cells, which are all called values. You can also sort by formats, such as cell color, font color, and a cell icon. That's a graphic that appears in a cell due to a conditional format. For us, sort on values. Step number 5. Click the Order arrow to display the sort order options. All right, Order, Sort Order. Click A to Z. It should have already been selected, but I still want you to do this just so that you can see the different options. The sort order is set to ascending. Step number 6. All right, so we have one thing that we're sorting by, right? One level right here. Let's go to Add Level. A Then By row is added below the primary sort field. A then by means sort by this, then by that. Okay? Right now our then by is blank, so let's go put in the information. Step number 7. Click the then by arrow and select Artist. Verify that its values is on the Sort On and the order is A to Z. Those are the defaults. They should already be there. If they aren't, hit the down pointing arrows and change it. Step number 8. Let's add another level. Step number 9. Click this second Then By arrow and click Date Acquired. Then By, Date Acquired. Verify that it's always values in your sort on, but this time, because we're sorting by a date, we want it to say newest to oldest. So hit the down pointing arrow in our Order button and select newest to oldest. All right. On page 246, figure 5-10, compare that figure to what you have in your Sort By dialog box. When you have yours matching everything, go ahead and click OK, and you'll see the sort jump. Excel sorts the table records first in ascending order by the location field, then within each location by the artist field, again in ascending order, and then within each artist by the date acquired field. For example, notice the 3 works by Akanchi located in the East Pavilion. The works are arranged in descending order by the value in the date acquired column, so that the newer work appears before the older works. Okay, so if you go take a look, by the way, they're right here. Excuse my pronunciation, I'm sure I butchered of that artist's name. And you can take a look and see how newest to oldest, right, the sort date. So you can take a look and see how this sort works. It's pretty interesting. Go ahead and scroll through the table, take a look, see how everything works out, and make sure that your sort came out correctly. And then we'll move on to the next step, which is to sort the art objects by condition. Step number 1, click any cell in the condition row. Step number 2, in the sort and filter group on the data tab, so data tab, sort and filter group, click the sort A to Z. The previous sort is removed and the art objects are now sorted in ascending order by condition. Scroll the table to see the reordered art objects. All right, so these are all excellent. And as you scroll down, you can see they're all sorted by their condition. All right, read sorting using a custom list, and then flip to page 248 to create the custom list based on the condition field. Step number 1, make sure the active cell is in the table. In other words, you can't be clicked over here. You just have to be clicked someplace inside of the table. And then on the data tab in the sort and filter group, click the sort button. Data tab, sort and filter group, my sort button. Sort dialog box opens up, right? Step number 2, let's go to sort by. Click the down pointing arrow. It's already on condition, so that's fine. We're going to leave it right there on condition. Values is correct. In the order, down pointing arrow, and click custom list. So it should say condition, sort on values, custom list. That's going to open the custom list dialog box. Step number 4, in the custom list box, click new list, which is right here. Next, you'll enter the condition values in the order you want them sorted. You must press the enter key after each entry. Step number 5, in our list entries, we're going to type in excellent. Always check your spelling. Press your enter key. Excellent, good, and enter. And then fair, and then enter, and then poor. After you type in poor, press your enter key, and then click add. Before you do that, I want to explain. Did you notice that when you sorted, it's sorted by condition, but the conditions were in alphabetical order, therefore A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So therefore it went excellent, fair, good, and that's not correct. We want to see them with the value that we attach to these words, which is excellent, good, fair, then poor. So what we're doing is we're saying we don't want you to sort our conditions in alphabetical order, excellent, fair, good, then poor. We want it to go in the order excellent, good, fair, and poor. Okay? Go ahead and click add, and you can see it pops in right here, and then click on OK. Now it says sort by condition, sort on values, order excellent, good, fair, poor, and then click OK. And now when you scroll through, A, B, C, D, E, good. So it came out right. A, B, C, D, E, F is down here. So good in the alphabet doesn't come before fair, but in our opinion, with the values we assigned to the word good and fair, good should come first. So now we've got it. And I'm going through mine in my head and checking it. And you know what? It's perfectly correct. Make sure yours looks the same way. And when you get done, click your save button and you're ready to go on to the next video.